Hello, in this video I'm going to show you and explain you the working of this iris and voice authentication project in detail. So here we have some sample videos. As you can see here, these videos has face and voice. So this project identify iris and voice from these videos and authenticate the particular user. So let me show you how these work. So we have two APIs, sign up and login. Whenever we hit sign up API, this is used to register the particular user. We have to fill this required detail, for example ID, name of the user, last name, username, email ID and video of that user with voice and face. Whenever we submit this API, it extracts face and voice from these videos and identify iris feature from the faces and store the iris feature and audio into Elasticsearch and S3 and save the user into the database. It will take some time. So to identify face and extract face and identify iris from face, we use media pipe algorithm and then we use iris normalization method. And for audio extraction and we use a speech brain classification model from Hugging Face. This process will take some time. So this extract face audio from the video and store into media folder like this. After some time, it registers the user and store all detail into the database. And then we have login API. Whenever we run login API, user need to upload their video like this. We can upload any random video. Then submit the API. So this API extract faces and audio from the video, identify the iris feature from the video and search on the Elasticsearch. If it matches with the existing user, then it will return the ID of that particular user. As you can see here, it will return the ID 7. Let me show you with one more video. Like I'm uploading this and posting the API. Within some time, it will return the ID of matching user. So this is how we can identify iris and voice from the video by using this code. That's how these APIs work. Thank you.